Hello, viewers. Thank you for joining me. Welcome. You're most welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Claire Chiro. Thank you. Thank you once again for joining me. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always staying with me. Uh, Today, I want us to talk about something important. We're going to discuss mail merge. So when you hear of mail merge, what is it? Like, how do we apply mail merge? How do we use mail merge? So when I say mail merging, I mean mail merging. This is just a feature. This is a feature that lets you create a batch of documents that are personalized for each recipient. For example, a letter that you want to send to various recipients, but you want to use the very same letter. So you might be okay. It should a form of letter that might be personalized to address each recipient by name. So with mail merge, there are features that you should have. You should have your main data source. You should have your main document. You should have your data source for where you're gonna get your documents. So those are some of the features. The documents used is a letter. That's an example. So with mail merge, we use Word. We use Word documents. So you go to your Windows button, you open Word. Uh, as you can see, this is my desktop. So I've already opened the Word document. So uh, you can, by the way, type your new document. You can type your letter, and you go to new, you type your letter, but we already have the main data. So you see, my letter is already typed. So with mailings, because now I want the remain items. This is a letter of a school from Sacred Heart Secondary School, Gulu. So with your letter, you should have space for the address you see here. You should also have space for the name. You should also have space for the nature of something that you want to discuss in the letter. So you should have your main data, and then you go to mailings because you want to send it to the recipients. But you should also have your data source. So when you come here, your data source, you see my data source is here. So my data source has name. These are three columns. It has name. I have about three recipients. It has a name, it has the address, it has the nature of contribution. So these are the things I want to include in the letter. So this is my data source. I prepared it using Excel. So as you can see, so I come back to my Word. I go to mailings. Since I already have my data source, I go to select recipients. Uh, you also see that there is a list of options. There is type a new list. You use an existing list or choose from the Outlook contacts. But since I already have a list from a data source, I'll click on use use an existing list. Before we go to select recipients, you come to start mail merge. Use the documents you want to use. So we have letters, we have email messages, we have envelopes, we have labels, directory, but we are going to choose letters because ours is a letter. We want to send the letters to the recipients. And then you come to select recipients. We have three ways. We have typing a new list, type a new list. We have use an existing list, and then choose from Outlook contacts. But since we already saw earlier that we have a data source, so we shall click on use an existing list. But don't forget where you had saved your data source. Mine was saved in this folder, desktop, Shine, and it's here. My data source is here. I click on it. Okay, it's select recipient, use an existing list. It's Shine. You click on it and then you click opens. So you see it comes like that. I just took you back because I want you to know how to open it. So here, and then I click OK. So we have already inserted our data source, and then we go to, from here we go to merge field. So when you come and click on merge field, you see that we have a name, address, and nature of contribution. So where the address is, where the name is, you come and click on name. Where a name is, so you do backspace, and then you insert name. Wow, that's it. And then where the address is as well, you come and insert your merge field of the address. You see, and then where your nature of contribution is. You also come and insert the nature of contribution. Wow, it's just so good. It's so nice looking. And after we've already inserted a merge field, so we see the address, the name, the nature of contribution. So we want to see the people whom we have really addressed the letter to. You come to preview results. So you see my first on the list was Achiro Claire, and this is a contribution. And then when you want to see that the letters reached everyone, you use this. See, the second one goes to Aloy Sharon, the third goes to Pilloy Harriet Candy. This is just to prove to you that the letter was reached all the three people. So okay, so once you've confirmed that your letters reached all the three people and it's correct, you go to the next field, which is finished. We shall also find out that we have three commands here. We have edit individual documents. We have the print documents. That is when you want to print out the letters and then send it as an email. So edit makes you find out how the letter is going to be sent to the recipient. So for now, we want to use edit individual documents. So we come here. With edit, you see that we have the all, we have the current record, we have from to. But of course, as we want to use all, so you just come and click OK. So you see, once you scroll down, the first is Achiro Claire, the second is Aloy Sharon, and the third is to Pilloy Harriet Candy. So you see, mail merge is really interesting and it's so nice. So you've already confirmed that your letter has reached all the three recipients. From here, we already see that it has reached the three people and it's in a new document. You see, it's letters one, it's no longer main letters. So you see, it's letters one, it's in a new document. So the last step here would be saving your document. So you go to Files, you click Save As, and we shall save it in desktop. I want to save it in Shine, so save for that. But I would save it as my final document. And then I save. So you see it has come as my final document. So it's really interesting. It's really nice. I hope you really liked it. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for staying with me till the very end. I hope you subscribe, please, as we stay tuned in for more. Thank you.